Hello. Welcome to our channel. Our topic today is hiccups and causes of hiccups. Have a good time. The hiccup problem we all face from time to time gets annoying if it lasts longer. We have prepared a video to help you. Hiccups are the sudden breathing intake between the vocal cords, which occurs when the diaphragm muscle suddenly contracts, separating the thoracic cavity and the abdominal cavity from each other, and a sound comes out. It is known to develop by stimulating the phrenic nerve. Hiccups arise from the respiratory muscles, and especially the diaphragm. It is called singultus in medical language. The reasons are diverse. Simple hiccups are mostly caused by stomach gas, hot and spicy dishes, or nervous breakdowns. Short-term hiccups, the most common triggers are drinking sodas, drinking too much alcohol, too much food, excitement or emotional stress, sudden temperature changes, swallow air with chewing gum, smoking too much, overfat meal. In hiccups lasting more than 2 hours, you should consult your doctor. Some methods that are said to have had hiccups: smelling a pungent substance such as lemon or ammonia, breathing fast, take a deep breath and hold our breath, drinking cold water, be careful, don't be sick, washing the face with cold water. The substances we count are the things to be done for the prevention of hiccups. In fact, it is the common belief of the experts that this is not a definitive solution. There is no way to clearly prevent sudden contraction of the diaphragm. In general, it is estimated that the diet is caused by inaccuracies. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and share and subscribe to support our channel. We wish you healthy days.